We're here in a 5,000 square foot home in North Toronto in the Banbury neighborhood. The design of this home was a collaboration between the Bespoke Group and Ancerl Studio. The space is a story of balancing the grandeur of the home with both warmth and comfort. And they achieve this by sticking to a fairly neutral palette and bringing in a lot of natural materials, textures, and architectural elements. As soon as you enter, you're faced with beautiful traditional elements, such as herringbone floors and double height ceilings that are covered in picture molding. Now, to contrast this, there is a stunning curved staircase which breaks up a lot of the hard lines and just draws your eyes in because it is essentially ape sculpture. Flanking the front door are side lights, which at the flip of a switch can go from clear to frosted, meaning you can allow more light in or get that privacy you're looking for at night without additional drapes. The space is flooded with natural light, which really makes the standout feature of the entrance, the Great Gatsby-inspired chandelier, sparkle. This is a chandelier like I've never seen before. It looks like a strand of beads hung from the ceiling. It is in itself a showpiece. The sightline from the entrance takes you right through to the kitchen, where your eye will land on a 10.5-foot stone island made of Arabescato Corchia marble. It is a stunner. The star of the kitchen is really this La Cornue range in white and gold, which sits below an expansive hood clad in microcement. No space was wasted in this kitchen, and to keep the hood seamless, a cabinet lift system was installed for additional storage. Behind the family kitchen and through a secret door is a full-blown butler's kitchen. It's fully outfitted with everything you would need to create an extravagant meal, including a range with a built-in wok. Now, of course, if you're having a meal catered, it would be done in your butler's kitchen, and therefore there is another secret door leading into your dining room. The dining room is perfect. It's elegant. It has a round table, which is, in my opinion, the optimal shape for receiving guests. And although very simple in its design, it has striking architectural details like the coffered ceiling to really make the space special. Across from the kitchen is the family room, which was designed to be comfortable, cozy, and receive a lot of people if necessary. There's a fireplace clad in microcement and one of the largest sectionals I've ever sat in. Right off the entrance is a grand office, which is very elegant with a wall of built-in cabinets with both clothes storage and display, making it both functional and beautiful. In true Bespoke Group fashion, on the main floor is an in-law suite. Now, this room is spectacular with its own fireplace and ensuite bathroom, perfect for a guest or grandma. Also on the main floor, there is a mudroom / laundry room, fully outfitted with dog shower. There's also a powder room on the main floor with a purple marble sink, an absolute showstopper, and a ceiling mount faucet, which I have never seen before, but is a real conversation starter for your guests. It's something remarkable that you're not going to forget. Upstairs is a principal bedroom and ensuite, which takes up the entire width of the house and was designed to optimize flow. The bedroom has serenity in mind, with a very neutral palette and a simple fireplace as the focal point. Adjacent to the bedroom is a coffee station, complete with a wine fridge for a little nightcap. Right beside that is his closet, which is, of course, a walk-in. Right beside that is the ensuite bathroom, which is the size of a room. It, of course, has a water closet, a walk-in shower, and is anchored by a fluted marble tub right in the center of the room. For consistency, the entire bathroom is tiled in the same kind of marble, but for interest, they use different formats and textures. Beyond the glass doors is her walk-in closet, which is light, bright, and very elegant, with built-ins clad in a leather finish. There are 3 more bedrooms and ensuite bathrooms on this floor, and they were designed to be minimalist and elegant, perfect for any member of the family. The upstairs office was designed with comfort in mind. It's adorned with a beautiful landscape wallpaper and is a perfect space to focus, relax, and unwind. We love a lower level that's also a walkout, and this space was made to entertain. From the baby grand piano to the fully kitted out bar, this space is made to bring people together, have fun, relax, listen to some music, and also enjoy a good movie in the media room. It can be difficult to make 5,000 square feet feel cozy and welcoming, but the Bespoke group really nailed it here. With this mix of traditional and modern, they brought in all the elements needed to create a beautiful family home.